Okay, this is gonna be a short video. Weird, but okay. I can deal with it. Um, I have been drinking a lot of coffee for the last 2 years, and I have tried quitting. I actually have a video that I kind of follow, and if I want to quit coffee, I'll link it right up to here. There's a video. It takes about 3 days to quit coffee. And it's a very hard too. It's a hard 3 days. The craving, it's like unbelievable. But guess what? Recently, I am on right now during my iodine deficiency journey. Okay? And I've been drinking this right here. Okay? And no, I'm not advertising for them or anything like that, of that nature, blah, blah, blah. It just, I found out that I'm iodine deficiency. So, I have been drinking that. And I mix them with water, just, plain old water. I just use a Coca-Cola bottle to make it a guide, because this is a 1.25 liter. You see that? So for every 1.25 liters, I put 3 drops in, and it's doing really good so far. I'm very happy with the result. But here's the thing, and here's what this video's about. I no longer crave for coffee. Can you imagine? There's something linked to here. I don't know what it is yet. But I'm going to throw this video out there to let you guys know there's something linked to this. I'm not sure what it is. I have no knowledge what it is. And it's mystified the hell out of me. And somehow, that iodine drop stopped me from craving coffee. Yup. I wanted to quit coffee. I want my body to be better, because when I'm off coffee, my body seems to be healthier, less sugar, more energy, my breath doesn't stink. Oh, that's another thing too. This helps you with your breath too. And actually, it was actually my dog that actually helps me with this right here, and I'll link that video up here too. But it actually was his breath. It was the dog's breath that smelled like metal, and my breath smells like metal. Weird, like really weird. It doesn't smell bad, but it smells like metal. And when I smell it on my dog, that's when I started to realize, wait a minute, there's gotta be a connection here. And that's how I got into this journey. Because of my dog, because of this, because of that, because he was tired, because he was, fatigued, he was losing weight, he shakes in like 65 to 80 degree weather, and I was too. I was cold in 80 to 90 degree weather. Can you believe that? And that's how I got into this journey. But here's the thing, and that's not about this video. But the video is that this video is about coffee. Because I'm on that, I no longer crave for that. Like, I don't need to have it. Something changed in my body. So, is it a link? I'm not sure. I am not sure, 100% sure. But even if you're not iodine deficiency and you want to quit coffee, maybe you can go on a iodine for like a week, like just a few days, just to do a detox or something, I know, remind you, I'm not a doctor. You have to experiment this on your own, and I'm going to warn you that ahead of time. I'm not a doctor or anything like that. I'm just telling you what is going on with my body. And is this the way to quit coffee? Did I find a way to quit coffee easily? Don't know yet, but each day, there's a certain time of the day that I crave for coffee. and I no longer does. It's these are all empty, by the way. There's nothing in there. I saved them because I use them for other projects and stuff. I haven't drink. I'm just like everybody else. I go on the coffee, I go off coffee, I go on coffee, I go off coffee, I go on coffee, I go off coffee. I try to quit so many times, and it doesn't work. Well, it does work. It just, when stress comes, somehow coffee take my stress away. I am actually the opposite of a lot of people. When I drink coffee, I'm actually become a calmer person. I actually feel relaxed. I feel like calm. I feel like, I think better. I'm more relaxed. Blah, 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 blah. I'm the opposite of people. Like, you know how some people actually, when they drink this, they actually get violent. Yeah. Crazy as it sounds, but it does. They get like really antsy, and they get like their mood swings start to blah, blah, blah. Me, it's actually opposite of that. If I don't feel like, if I don't feel good or whatever, I just go and drink coffee, and then boom, right away. It'll calm my mind right away. But the only thing is that I don't like it because it makes my breath stinks. But it doesn't make my breath stinks. Like, it makes my breath smells like metal. And that's how I was smelling onto my dog as well. His breath smells. And his breath smells like metal, like some kind of metal. It wasn't bad smell, but it's just like metal smell. And that's how I got, like, I think it was like about a month ago. When I did a video recently. I just uploaded recently, but I did that video a while ago. And somehow, this is all starting to tie together. Funny as that. Now I no longer drink coffee. It's been 2 days already, and I haven't touched coffee. Off and on, when I started this, it started to affect right away. It started to make me stop drinking coffee right away. Like, I didn't crave for it, but I still wanted to, continue on because I didn't want to change anything in my body. And somehow, this does not give me the cravings for coffee. No craving whatsoever. And so I started to experiment. I said, isn't that strange? Blah, blah, blah. So then I drink coffee off and on. It was this whole month, it was just few days I drink it and few days I don't. Like, I didn't crave for them. Usually, the body crave within 24 hours. Every 24 hours, I have to have a cup. If I have 2 cups, then I can prolong or last a little bit. But if I don't, I can have to have a cup. But with this, it changes somehow. Like, instantly, I no longer crave for this. And in case somebody's wondering what that is, it just, I'm not advertising for these products or anything like that. I do not, once again, I am not associated with these people whatsoever. It's called J. Crow's Lugo Solution. It says distilled water, 94%, potassium iodide, 4%, and iodine, 2%. And I'll put that in the description for you in case you want to get it. I got it on Amazon. 2 bottles, 4 ounces total for like $24. That's including tax because I live in Massachusetts. But as far as I know, somehow my body changes. When my body changes, it stops the craving somehow. Is this the solution for stopping coffee? Maybe? I don't know. Like, people, how to quit coffee? I mean, a lot of people likes coffee, but at the same time, though, coffee can be very dangerous to your body because before the pellets, before the coffee beans becomes, roasted, because they roast it to take the poison away, and that's why they roast coffee. And if you noticed, here's for the people who drink coffee. If you drink the darker roasted, you actually, your body's more healthier. Yeah. Don't drink the light one. The light one can actually harm you. If you're gonna drink this, drink it in the dark, dark, dark roasted. Light roasted, it's not good. Or even, I can feel the difference. Yep. But anyway, and that's why I drink only, these are just the old stuff. I drink only cold brew. Because cold brew actually is a lot smoother. And it's a lot, it's better. It actually tastes a lot better for me. I mean, for me, I don't know about you guys or anybody out there. But for me, it tastes better. But this reason I want to make this short video is because somehow this here stops me from craving for coffee. So maybe it's a solution for people who wants to quit coffee. Maybe I should title as much. You want to quit coffee the easy way? Maybe that's what I should title. Wants to quit the coffee the easy way? This is all you need. Drop 3 tablets, 3 drops into a 1.5 liter or 1 liter and drink it as you crave for coffee. And maybe within a day or so, you stop drinking. The trick is, okay, as far as I know, and I have that video, and like I said, I'll link it up here. As far as I know, experiment this myself. It takes 3 days to get rid of coffee or caffeine. I believe we're addicted to caffeine. It takes 3 days to get rid of the caffeine in your body. But somehow this solution, or iodine or potassium iodide, not sure which one's gonna be beneficial to you, or not sure which one is the one that actually makes you to quit coffee, but it's one of those ingredients in here. So maybe this is the quickest and fastest way to quit coffee, to quit the cravings. That's what we are at. That's what we are weakness to, is the cravings. And somehow it stops the craving for me. So if anybody's out there wants to quit coffee or whatever, the easy, the fastest, and the quickest way, try this. Maybe. I was probably going to title this video as much. I didn't really think what the title would be, but I know what the title would be now. So it's the easiest and quickest way to quit coffee. Iodine drops. I guess that's about it. But anyway, and my solution for this is 1 liter, 3 drop per 1 liter. Okay? That's how I use it. But that I am also iodine deficiency. So as far as I know. So as far as I know, that's what's working for me. I drop 3 drops in a 1.25 liter bottle of water and shake it up and drink that. I drink that all day, or until it runs out, and I keep drinking it again. I kind of flip-flop it. I drink empty bottle with nothing in it, just water, and then I drink the next thing, so my body can kind of like go back and forth, I guess. Because I don't think it's good to drink water, iodine water all the time. That's just me though. Okay, but for you, if you want to go and quit on coffee, I'm not a doctor or anything. I'm just saying that somehow, these things stop me from having craving for coffee. Anyway, I hope that this video is helpful to you. And if you are on that journey and it's really hard to quit coffee, maybe give this solution a try. Just don't stay on it often. Just do it until you quit your coffee, or you pass your 3 days, because you have to have 3 days in order to quit coffee totally. For the quit craving totally, it has to be a 3 days straight without coffee. And this might help you with your journey. I am not sure. I'm not 100% sure. For your body, I'm not 100% sure. But for me, for my body, that's a 100% sure. And that's why I'm making this video. There's no point to me to make this video unless something tied to it. But somehow, like I said before, and I'll say it one more time before I ended this video, somehow it stops me from craving those coffee. I look at it, I don't even want to drink it. Crazy as it is. Like right now, I'm looking at it. I haven't had coffee for 2 days. I don't even want it. Normally, oh, I'll take all of them. I'll drink all of it. But somehow, this thing stops it. So, if you're looking to quit coffee, in the easiest way, I think now, even easier than the video that I did earlier before, because that took 3 days. 3 days straight, and it was hard. This is actually easier because it stops the craving. Anyway, I hope that this video is helpful to someone out there that's trying to quit coffee. And good luck to you if you are on that journey, okay? I know it is hard. It is a hard journey, but it can be done. 3 days or with this solution right here. I will see you in the next video, okay?